Hello, little minis. How are you? It's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library, and I'm here to bring you another craft. Yay! Okay, this one's going to be a fun one. Again, they're always fun. It's not painting, but it looks like painting. Okay, you get to play with water and markers. Yes, okay, that's fun. All right, we're going to do something called foil transfer art. Okay, so I have this tray here. What you might want to have at home is either some kind of tray or put something on your table to protect it, okay? Because some of the things you need from home. A permanent marker. This is super important. If you don't have a permanent marker, it's actually, okay. The permanent marker is so that you can draw a picture. If you don't want to draw a picture, then you don't need a permanent marker. So it's super important if you want to draw a picture, okay? And this will stain things. This is one of the reasons it's important to have a covering on your table or a tray. All right, something else. You want to have some washable markers. These are probably the kind of markers that you usually color with. You can have any colors that you'd like. I pretty much chose all the colors except for, I actually pretty much chose all the colors of the rainbow as well as pink. I like to add pink to my rainbows. Okay, wow, that's what you need from home. That's mostly, you'll need some water too. You're in your kit, you're gonna have this cute little tiny, it's a little tiny spray bottle. I'm sending this just in case you need it for this project. So you're gonna wanna fill this spray bottle with some water, okay? Once you have that filled, we can start your project. In your kit, you're also gonna have just a couple of pieces of extra plain white coloring paper. You're also gonna have one piece of stronger paper. I don't want you to touch the stronger paper quite yet. I want you to take this practice coloring paper and your permanent marker and practice drawing a picture. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, practice drawing a picture that you would want to put on your stronger picture. This is going to be your final project, okay? So you're going to practice on the drawing paper. So we're just going to practice. What do you think you're going to want on your final picture? Let's see, what will we want? We're going to want, I know what, I will show you in a second. If anybody can guess, go ahead. You can kind of see me drawing, but you can't see what I'm drawing. Anybody? I know one person who, if she's watching, she will know. It's almost finished. Are you guys practicing your pictures? Because this is the picture that you're going to want to put on your final project. This is what I went with. This is what I call Pencil Man. All right, what did you guys choose? Those are gonna look so beautiful. Good choices. Now you wanna take your strong, sturdy paper and draw the picture of that one. Whatever you chose, you're gonna draw the best you've ever drawn onto this paper, okay? With the permanent marker again. I might go this way this time. I'm gonna put my paper up and down. So I'm gonna make his nose. And I'm starting the pencil part of it, okay. I'm getting down to the eraser, now I'm going back up to get the pencil part that you write with, okay. Arms, hands, feet, legs and feet, eyes, and a mouth. And I now have Pencil Man. And this is on this paper. This is the one. Now I'm going to turn this paper into rainbow. It's almost like rainbow painting. Now you want to take this piece of foil that's in your kit and flatten it out as much as you can on top of your tray or the table that you covered or whatever place you're doing it at, okay? And take your markers and just color all over the foil, all right? All over, in all different colors, in all different directions if you want. Just color this foil. You can scribble all over on this, guys. It's okay. Totally okay. You don't have to practice coloring in the lines. You don't have to practice your ABCs or your 1, 2, 3s, or you don't even have to practice your colors, to be honest. You can just have fun. All right, so coloring. I'm on purple now. What colors did you guys use? Some of you, oh, I see some green out there. What other colors? Oh, I like the pink. I saw one person was doing a rainbow, kind of like me, but coloring it in your own way. You're just using the same colors like I am. Oh, the blue shows up really well on the foil, guys. What colors showed up well on your foil? Because so far, the blue and the orange for me showed up super good. I'm gonna get a little bit of green on mine now. Oh, the green showed up really well. Did it show up for you too? Oh, it did. You did tell me that. Good job. Okay. A little bit of green over here. Sure. Why not? And my last one, pink. I almost didn't leave room for any pink. All right. Pink. Okay. Once you have your piece of foil all scribbledy-dibbledied, can't really see it too much, but it is on there. You get to take your little squirt bottle and squirt the foil with some water. Now you want to squirt it so that it's wet, but you don't want it to be soaking wet, because if it's soaking wet, all those colors are going to run together and turn into a brown. So if you want brown, go for it. But if you don't want brown, you just want to get this a little bit wet. You're going to take a couple pumps to get the water working in the, it's got to work its way through. There we go. So we're going to take it, squirt it, make sure it's a little bit wet. We want to make sure we see a little bit of water on the paper, but not too much. Not so much that I see water rolling all over the paper. Because if it's rolling all the paper, then you know what happens? All the colors run together and it turns brown. Okay, this is working pretty well. So if you look at my paper, or my foil, I should say, you can see the water. Look, it made the colors super dark too. But it's not dripping, because if it was dripping, all my colors would be mixing together. Now I'm going to take my super cardboard piece, the final project, and I'm going to lay it this way. I'm going to put that picture on top of the color, right like that. And I'm going to kind of move it around. It doesn't really want to move much, but if you can kind of wriggle your paper around, go for it. And push it down really smooth and really good. And guess what's going to happen when you pick this up? Yes, watch. It goes onto your paper and you've got a rainbow picture. That is so fun and so beautiful. Let me see, guys. Did you get it done? Those are gorgeous. Good job, everybody. I hope you had so much fun making this picture. If you have more cardstock at home, you can make more if it's okay with your big person. But if you're all finished, can you please help your big person clean up your mess? All you have to do is roll up your foil and get that thrown away. Then put your markers where they belong. If you took out a tray, put your tray away, or your tablecloth. If you have any paper left over, or if you want to throw away your scraps, recycle those. That's it. Do some cleanup. Hang up your picture or give it to somebody as a beautiful gift, and have a great day. Bye, everybody.